Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have finally a new LookFantastic unboxing. Now this arrived very late. I think at like the 21st. Yeah, I mean I get it, you know, COVID is still going on and Brexit and everything, but it's actually funny because I got the shipping email, whatever, DHL, that the shipping has been announced or whatever. I got that on the 1st of May. It took 20 days to get here. Anyway, so let's open this up. Also, again, I feel like it's not nicely packed. It might just be me. Oh, blue. I like blue. Also, I didn't get a lot of sleep these past nights, so excuse this. Okay, so the inside says, "Your smile is sunshine to others." My guess is it could be slightly summery because, you know, we're transitioning into summer, but not too much, you know. Oh god, anyways. Let's open it up. Something smells really good. Ooh! Oh, nice. Anyways, as you can see, we have this filling material here. Nothing is on top of that. Everything is in the actual box. So I hope nothing is broken. And there's no leaflet. This is the first thing I saw. Oh my god. So this by the Vintage cosmetic company, which we had before we had tweezers. So soft silicone for a gentle exfoliation. Ooh, it's a silicone exfoliating pad with handy suction pads. Oh, okay. So let me. Okay, so like this. Then you just exfoliate your face. Oh, that is cool. That's really nice. Wet the silicone exfoliating pad using warm water. Squeeze some of your favorite cleanser onto the exfoliant pad. Gently rub the skin in circular motions. Oh, that's so cool. And it's cruelty-free. I like that. So, let me get the LookFantastic page. Because there's no leaflet. I love LookFantastic, right? I've been subscribed to their box for a very long time. And I love them. But the inconsistency with those boxes. What the fuck is it? I'm confused. Oh my god. I wish they would just...
One eternity later.
I have given up on this. Like, I have no idea where to fucking find this. So, anyways, you gotta deal with me talking about this now. So, cannot wait to try this out. Looks very, very nice. Although the only cleanser that I currently use is a bar of soap, so I have to wait a little until I can use this, but it's nice. So then I saw this. This comes in very handy. This is the Burt's Bees Watermelon moisturizing lip balm with natural origin, blah blah blah. Responsibly sourced beeswax. Okay, so let's open this up. If I could. Hello? Oh, there you go. I love watermelon scent. I don't know what it is. Like, it's not my favorite. I would have strawberry because I love strawberry, but watermelon? Oh my god. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, this is tasty. I should not say that about a lip balm, but it is actually really nice. I will put that into my purse, definitely. Again, like I said, I don't have a leaflet. I have no idea. I mean, it's a lip balm, so I cannot do anything wrong with that, but usually you get some more information how to use them, blah, blah, blah. So, I'm sorry. I saw this and I almost screamed. Oh my god. Do you remember this? The peeling mask by E-Cooking that turned me into Mr. Krabs. I will leave that video here. Oh my god. Yes, it still smells as strong. Oh my god. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. I will use that tonight. So basically, you apply it, and then your skin gets very red and warm, and it's so nice. Oh my god. Although I kind of forgot. Okay, well, it says, use between 10 to 15 minutes, add moisturizer after. So nice. And they also say, don't panic if your skin turns red, it means it's working. And oh, I took this with me to Copenhagen. So it's been, what, 3 years? 2 years? I don't remember. It's been a while. And I still remember this mask. Oh god, I cannot wait to use that. Oh my god. So cool. Well, this one here. Kiwi. The Kiwi? You say Kiwi or Kiwi? Superfood Cooling Eye Serum. Oh, yes. Cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, natural skincare and natural world. Oh, this is nice. The only thing is... Oh, this is by Dr. Botanicals, by the way. The only thing is, I don't have an eye cream currently. So can I still... You know, like, I will... just use this, then put my normal face cream on. Ooh, that looks fancy. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, that looks nice. Please don't tell me it smells like kiwi, like actual intense kiwi smell. I don't like kiwis. Oh my god, just the thought of them. They're hairy. They have hairs on them. Ugh. My boyfriend loves eating them, and I'm always just sitting there like in pure disgust. I mean, it is okay. It is okay. And I just put it underneath my eyes, so I hopefully don't have to smell it. But I hope this actually works nicely, because it also says that, what was it? Kiwi fruit oil helps to maintain moisture in the skin, especially underneath, like on your under eyes, because I tend to get very, very dry there, so I cannot wait to try this out. Okay, I only have 2 products left. Okay, so it's going to be a rather short video. So, this one. Stress Check Kind Hands by This Works. A soothing hand cream for dry, overwashed hands. Now, aren't we all in the same boat with that? So, this is cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben, phthalate, and sulfate-free. It smells like lavender. Oh, that smells good. Ooh, hold on. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, God. Like, I just imagine putting this on before I go to bed, and then everything smells like lavender. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely feeling this. And this is super quickly too. Oh my god, I love it. And then last but not least, the Comfort Zone Hydra Memory Cream Gel, a 24-hour double hydration cream gel. Okay, let's see. Put them on because I don't have anything else. Ooh. It smells like very fancy skincare. Like Chanel face creams, you know what I mean? Ooh. Okay, okay. Definitely feeling that one as well. Okay, so anyway, that was everything that was in the box. Unfortunately, there's no leaflet, and I have absolutely no freaking idea where to find those informations. You know what I mean? Honestly, I was sitting here for like 5 minutes trying to find that stupid thing. So please, LookFantastic, please get your shit together. I know it's hard for everyone, and I know I was struggling, but come on, please. I bet with you, next month I will have a leaflet again. So anyway, I have a coupon code for I think £5 off your first beauty box, so it's in the info box. You can use it if you want, you don't have to. And yeah, let me know what you would like to try from these things. I'm actually excited for all of these things, you know, there's nothing where I'm like, oh, should I really use this? No, I'm looking forward to all of this. It's all very skincare related. Again, but yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to this. And then this one I will put into my purse because what I'm alone. And then this one I will use tonight. Oh, should I use it tonight? We'll see. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already, and I'll see you next one.